Withdrawing funds from your Shopify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully access your earnings. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you are using the correct store associated with the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access various account settings, including payment options. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payments section. This area contains information about your payment providers and payout settings. Step 4. Review payout schedule. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Initiate withdrawal. If your funds are available, follow the prompts to initiate a withdrawal. You may need to select your preferred withdrawal method and confirm the transaction. Ensure that all details are correct before finalizing the withdrawal. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your chosen account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance.